Okay, next project. Me and my best friend in the whole world, we're going to refurbish this BC Rich that not too long ago looked like somebody beat rocks with it. We're going to, well, I've already painted it because everybody's seen paint videos, and so if you need a paint video and a prep video, look at another video. But if you want to see a BC Rich get refurbished, then these are the videos if you find it interesting. We're going to, I'm going to put flames on it. My best friend in the world, he's got the neck over there with him, and we're going to end up scalloping it. And we've got the parts on order because it didn't have any hardware or anything. It luckily had a neck, but you would have laughed if you've seen it. We did. So it gets all new parts, and it's going to have true fire flames, and they're going to go from like down here on up this direction. And the the paint job's still a little bit, you should have seen it. It was terrible. This thing just was not gonna, like I said, it looks like they beat rocks with it. So to show you the true fire as I do it, I'm going to have to prop the phone up, so that's all going to be in the next video. I still have a little bit to do before then, and so I hope you enjoy these videos.